You must be the picture man or something.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to Rod Gen 1080p. After about 2 weeks of trying, guys, got my hand on the Xbox, man. The One X. I got the One X, 534 retail price. I did not get it from a scalper. I got it about 4 months late because it's now March, heading into April. I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. Quite sure you've seen other videos, but this is for my people who care about me and love me and want to see me unbox my Xbox. But without further ado, if you guys are new to the channel, you enjoy gaming, entertainment, gaming videos, this is the channel for you. If you want to subscribe to the channel, be sure to hit that bell icon so you get notified. But I ain't gonna do too much talking, man. Let's go ahead and let's open them up. Let's open it up, baby. Let's get it right. I think this okay. Stickers all on the same side. All the stickers on the same side, so I should be able to now let the light shine. Let the light shine. That's how we go power our dreams right here, baby. Power the dreams. Wow. Oh man. Got a nice little weight to it. Get right, get bit bulky and shit. You feel me? Alright. Shit heavy, hold on. I ain't get no control. They ain't give me no cords or nothing, just the box. Okay. Getting a little scared here. Okay. Back panel got a little scared like now. I ain't got no cords. I ain't get nothing. Let me make sure this. I gotta take this out of the video. Nice and sturdy. This is protected on that shipment route. Nothing to get through that. Damn. Motherfucker's hard. Okay, this feel extra light, but the weight of this damn Xbox is compact. You throw this at somebody, you go in their life. Jesus, that thing fall. It's down to break something. So you make sure you got it on somewhere they ain't gonna fall, and you take good care of your baby. Get that thing heavy. They go to these new HDMI cables. I think these like 2.0 or something. They ain't no regular HDMI. Power cord. Manual. I'm gonna order a new stick. I'm gonna get probably get a skin for my Xbox, and also a different controller, like one for my style, like my color preference and everything. I got rechargeables, and it's the One X, baby. I've been waiting to get this, fighting over tweets and everything, baby. Oh man. Feel a little small, you know, my hand's pretty big. Oh man, feel good though, new controller. Ooh, these feel like it ain't gonna be like the last. Just feel a little smaller. Let's see if we. I don't think we got nothing else. That's crazy. It's more compact. Seem a whole lot less messy. This is pretty much everything. You know, the other consoles have all the manuals. Maybe it's more like inside here. Maybe I got the weight disconstrued or something. But let's open up the thing that's supposed to power my dreams, baby. I was gonna keep this, but this is just too plasticky. Ooh wee. That little peak right there, baby. It just hit different. Something just hit me, came over my body. Something just came over my body. Hold on. Ooh. Damn. I should have took care of that, but ain't nothing trying. Get on that throat, you go. Smash, throat, go. Ooh. Damn. I do have a gaming PC. I had the Xbox, like the first one, but some life unfortunate events happened to me, and I lost the first like ever made Xbox. Not the one first ever made, but that first generation. So now I have the Black Sensitive Touch 360. I have the first black Xbox One. It ain't no series, no X and all that S. It ain't. It's the regular like first Xbox, the black one. 500 megabytes. I brought an additional terabyte to it. So now I think I'm at 6. I'm gonna have, because a terabyte in here. I bought an additional terabyte for my first Xbox One, and I have this one that is 5 terabytes. I'll put a link to this one in the description. It's this 5 terabytes. It was about $114. So now I have a total of 7 terabytes to put on, like to have all my games and everything on this one console. I got more terabytes, but that's for like work and other things, and personal stuff. But this, I like it. It's very heavy. Feel like you're getting your money worth. 12 teraflops. I don't know what that is or what that means, but I know, guys, I ain't had to rip it. They come apart right here. It don't matter. But this is all that came in a manual. One manual, power cord, HDMI cable, and a controller. Everything else is on here. Oh man, I'm going to turn this on and experience. The main reason I wanted was the load times on games. I know as time progresses, we're going to have more video games that's more powerful and do more. I'm going to try Sea of Thieves on here because I love that game. And also No Man's Sky. They had a new update that came out today. I didn't even get to nothing. Been so busy today. Rent is due tomorrow, so pay rent. Going to install and upgrade everything and transfer all my games and put the protector case back on my Xbox One and stop the gaming on this from now on. Jesus, cause it's sort of ports though. All I need 2 ports. I need 2 USB ports. That's gonna have 1 terabyte. That one gonna have 5. This one already got 1 built inside. You do the math. And I know this right here is for whenever the time comes to clean it. I don't really feel like taking this off anyway, but it's easier to clean, get the dust out with this make and model. Like a whole side panel door come off, so you can just get your air thing and blow it out. I brought an actual air electronic one. It blows real heavy. It was like $60, so I ain't got to keep buying them cans. Got the tools for it, so when it need to be clean, I can get it right. But this has been Ron Gen 1080p, my Xbox Series X 534 retail, including tax from Best Buy. Thank you, Best Buy. And also the Mac guy on Twitter. I was following him. I'm quite sure everybody know who he is because he's been helping everybody in this pandemic. But I'm going to catch you beautiful people in the next video. It's crazy, we're at the 10-minute mark. But after cutting this up and everything, it's probably be less than 10. Catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning in to my channel.